Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this tutorial we'll explore how to use Python ord and chr functions. Python ord function is a built-in function that returns the Unicode code point of a specified character. A Unicode code point is an integer that is used to represent a character in the Unicode standard. If you're not familiar with the Unicode standard, I will leave a link below the video where you can explore it. First, let's take a look at the ord function process. Ord function takes only one argument, which is a character. Python chr function is a built-in function that returns the Unicode code point of a specified character. Essentially, it does the reverse operation of the ord function. Let's take a look at the process of the chr function. Chr function also takes only one argument, which is an integer, and converts it into a Unicode character. Let's try to use Python ord function to find the Unicode code points of the capital letters A, B, and C. Now let's run the code and see what we get. As you can see, each character has been converted into an integer representation of a Unicode character, where capital letter A is represented by integer 65, capital letter B is represented by integer 66, and capital letter C is represented by integer 67. You can use Python ord function to find the Unicode code points of other characters, including special characters. Notice that Python ord function can only take one character as an argument, as mentioned in the introduction section. And if you're trying to use it with a string that has more than one character, you will get a type error. Let's take a look. So how can we convert the whole string to Unicode code points? We'll have to do it character by character, and there are a few ways of solving this task. Here we'll focus on two of them. The first one is using Python map function. If you're not familiar with Python map function, please check my tutorial by following the link below the video. Using Python map function, we can apply Python ord function on every character of the string. Let's take a look at an example. Now let's run the code and see what we get. As you can see, we were able to convert every character of the string into a Unicode code point. Another way to solve this task is to use OR function with list comprehension in Python. Let's take a look at an example. We will reuse the same string as we used in the previous example. Now let's run the code and see what we get. Perfect. We see that the result is the same as in the previous method, and we were able to convert every character in a string to a Unicode code point. You can also reverse the OR function operation by using CHR function, which will convert a Unicode code point in integer format to a Unicode character. For example, let's see which characters the 97, 98, and 99 Unicode code points represent. Now let's run the code and see what we get. We see that Unicode code point 97 represents lowercase letter a, the Unicode code point 98 represents the lowercase letter b, and the Unicode code point 99 represents the lowercase letter c. If you have a list of Unicode code points that you would like to convert to Unicode characters, you can use the similar process that you saw in the previous section and either do it by using Python map function or by using a list comprehension as two of the main options for solving this task. In this tutorial, we explored how to use Python OR and Python CHR functions. Now that you know the basic functionality, you can practice it using with other iterable data structures for more complex use cases. Feel free to leave comments below if you have any questions. Please like and share the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more of my Python programming tutorials.